In this video we'll start to look at importing some of the basic data types that you might want to see. In this case we'll just go to import and we'll start with importing some drilling data. So here we select CSV, so we have some CSV files, and we need to start by importing a color file. So every drill data set has a color, a survey file, and some data down the drill hole. Once you've selected the first file, it opens up part of the file, so you get a bit of a snippet of the file with all the headings at the top. These are repeated on the side, and then automatically they get assigned a type if they are recognized. So we have hole ID, XYZ are automatically recognized. Here we also want to have the length of the drill hole, which is not mandatory, but it's just nice if you have that information. It can be useful to display later. And then we continue to the next file, which is a survey file, which just gives you the orientation down the drill hole. So it automatically recognizes the survey file. So for this you need a survey file with a hole ID, the survey depth, the azimuth and the dip. So the survey depth is where the measurement is done, and typically this needs to start at the beginning of the drill hole, so at zero depth. So many people will have files where they have a straight drill hole with the length, and then they try to import that, but then you get awkward results because it assumes that the first measurement is actually at the collar. So we press next, and then here we can select either assay files or geology files. You can select multiple files if you want to, but I just want to import the geology data here. So again we need the hole ID. In this case we need from at the start, the start and the end, and then we can assign our rock type to a category and zone this category data as well. That's the only two things that we have in this file, and then we can press finish, and then data will be shown in your 3D view. On the left there's a data tab where you see the data has been imported.